Breaking news: NASA unveils bold plans for commercial space stations, igniting innovation in space exploration. In a thrilling announcement, NASA has unveiled its groundbreaking vision for the future of space exploration. With the retirement of the International Space Station looming, the agency has released a trove of exciting details about its plans to utilize commercial space stations. This news comes at a time when industry leaders are pushing for NASA's accelerated support in this realm. NASA's cutting-edge strategy was unveiled through the publication of 2 white papers on February 13th. These papers, part of a larger request for information, outline the Commercial Low Earth Orbit Destinations Initiative. They provide tantalizing insights into NASA's collaboration with commercial station operators and the agency's specific research requirements. One of the white papers delves into NASA's anticipated resource needs for these futuristic stations, meticulously breaking down the agency's demands for crew time, power, and volume. This invaluable information is a game changer for companies seeking to design and equip their stations to meet NASA's specifications. Phil McAllister, the director of commercial space at NASA headquarters, emphasized the significance of this document. The utilization document is critically important because it contains a vetted and quantified list of potential utilization needs to help guide industry size and outfit their concepts, McAllister enthused. He also highlighted that while NASA doesn't expect commercial stations to replicate all the capabilities of the ISS, the agency aims to offer companies a glimpse into the future by outlining the type and scope of equipment and facilities required. In an exhilarating twist, NASA expects to dedicate a jaw-dropping 3,000 to 4,000 hours of crew time annually for these stations, with 2 astronauts permanently stationed on board. However, the agency remains open to private astronauts contributing to research activities, injecting an extra dose of excitement and unpredictability into this venture. With NASA planning to conduct an astounding 130 to 230 experiments per year, an impressive 24 cubic meters of storage will be utilized. The agency envisions both internal and external experiments, with power demands reaching an electrifying 42 kilowatts for internal use and an additional 5 to 8 kilowatts for external experimentation. NASA's ambitious plans also involve ferrying an astounding 5,000 kilograms of cargo to commercial stations, while safely returning 2,000 kilograms back to Earth. The second white paper delves into the exhilarating concept of operations that NASA envisions for these commercial space stations. This 40-page document is a riveting roadmap, revealing the agency's grand vision for capabilities, resources, operations, and oversight. It even hints at the potential for repairing and retrieving external payloads, an invaluable skill set that commercial stations might possess. Expect sparks to fly as NASA's astronauts collaborate side by side with commercial astronauts, including those employed by the station's owner. While commercial astronauts will primarily handle station maintenance, NASA anticipates sharing certain tasks, recognizing that crew cohesion can be negatively affected without collaboration. These groundbreaking revelations aim to empower companies working on commercial space station concepts, fostering open lines of communication between NASA and the private sector. Currently, NASA is actively engaged with 4 companies vying to shape the future of space stations. Blue Origin, NanoRacks, and Northrop Grumman have each secured funded Space Act agreements, while Axiom Space has a separate agreement to pioneer commercial modules on the ISS. However, some industry insiders, like Mary Lynn Dittmer, Chief Government and External Relations Officer at Axiom Space, urge NASA to narrow down the field of competitors. Dittmer believes that a focused approach will prevent market dilution and expedite the development of these remarkable stations. As NASA pushes the boundaries of space exploration, it faces an exciting challenge from China's Tiangong Space Station, which actively solicits payloads from countries worldwide. We've already got US folks who are running companies interested in LEO who have been losing customers to the Chinese space station, Dittmer passionately expressed during a recent panel discussion. The competition is fierce, and NASA must navigate this new era with strategic precision. Kathy Lueders, NASA's Associate Administrator for Space Operations, acknowledged the concerns raised but emphasized the agency's dedication to understanding how commercial stations can meet its exploration and research needs. Lueders stressed that this is a pivotal moment for NASA to listen and learn, focusing on technical and regulatory challenges surrounding commercial low Earth orbit destinations. The future of space exploration has never looked brighter, with NASA spearheading an electrifying revolution in commercial space stations. As these plans continue to unfold, space enthusiasts and industry leaders alike eagerly anticipate the thrilling adventures that lie ahead in the vast expanse of the cosmos.